This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on your personal computer. To begin, you will need an Android emulator, which allows your computer to run mobile applications. BlueStacks is a highly recommended and widely used option for this. Before downloading, ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for the emulator to guarantee a smooth experience. Once you have chosen your emulator, navigate to its official website to download the installer file. Run the downloaded file and follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. Within the emulator's settings, it is crucial to allocate sufficient random access memory and central processing unit cores, perhaps 4 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores, for optimal game performance. With the emulator successfully installed, open it and locate the Google Play Store icon. Click on it, then use the search bar to find Clash Royale. Select the game and proceed with the installation, just as you would on a mobile device. Remember to log in with your existing Google account to seamlessly synchronize your game progress and data. To enhance your gameplay, adjust the in-game graphics settings within Clash Royale for smoother visuals on your larger screen. Take time to configure custom keyboard controls and mouse sensitivity through the emulator's settings, allowing for precise and comfortable actions during battles. Now, enjoy the strategic depth of Clash Royale with improved control and a more expansive view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.